This is McFly Angler.
Starts now.
The San Juan Worm is one of the easier flies you will ever tie, and the material list is simple. All you need is a curved hook, ultra chenille, super glue or head cement, a lighter which is optional, and thread. Let's start with selecting a hook. These scud-style barbless hooks from Risen Fly in size 12 are very good and at a great price. Place a hook securely in your vise. For thread, I am using this Vivis 10-aught in red, but these can be tied in a number of colors, so select a thread color that matches the chenille. Start your thread behind the hook eye, and then break or snap off the waist. Then bring your thread down deep into the bend of the hook, and then come back up a wrap or two. Now cut off a few wraps of ultra chenille, and today I'm using red, and this length will tie 3 to 4 of these flies. Measure out the chenille to about 2 times the hook shank length, and then tie it in with 4 tight wraps. And then pull back the chenille and advance your thread up the hook shank. To make this more durable, brush a bit of super glue on the hook shank. Now you could just pull the chenille forward and tie it down, but I like to make these a bit differently and wrap the chenille around the hook shank like so. Proceed to make 4 to 5 wraps up the hook shank with this chenille, and capture it close to the hook eye, but leave yourself a little room to whip finish behind the eye. Make a few tight wraps and then bring your thread in from the chenille. Now it's a good time to cut off the excess chenille. I like making this portion a bit shorter than the tail, but it's up to you. And don't worry if the chenille has a bit of a bend in it. We will fix this in a minute. Now grab a simple lighter like this, and we will very quickly touch the flame to the tip of the chenille to round out the end like so. Then pull and twist the chenille with your fingers, and the heat will straighten out the chenille. Watch out though, because the chenille can get really hot at this point and burn your fingers. Heat the tip of the tail section up as well. Now for the final step. Add a drop of super glue on the whip finish, but be careful not to get any in the eye of the hook like I did here. If you do though, just run some materials through the hook eye to clean it out. And there we have it. As you can see, this is fairly easy to tie, and we all know that these are very effective flies. You can fill a box very quickly, and they work for a number of different freshwater species. If you want, you could also add a bit of lead wire weight under the wraps in the body before tying in the thread to make these a bit heavier, but it's up to you. Let me know in the comments section what is the best fish you have ever caught with one of these flies. Or if you're against using them, let us know why as well. As you all know, I have gotten you all discounts from both www.risenfly.com and www.dooliesflyfishing.com. Doolies offers great prices on all of the name brand fly tying materials, and Risen Fly manufactures their own hooks, rods, reels, and other gear for fly fishing. Their products are top quality, and best of all, they are priced very reasonably. Not only are the prices at these two shops great, but like I said, they are offering all of my subscribers a discount. So use McFly at checkout when ordering from either of these shops, and you will get an additional 15% off of their already great prices. I want to also thank all of my Patreons who support me. For as little as $1 a month, you can help support this channel and also get some great perks like early access to my videos, participate in live streams, and more. So go to www.patreon.com/McFlyAngler to sign up today. I also thank all of you who share all my videos with your friends and your continued support by hitting the like buttons and subscribing. Thank you for making these videos possible. I will see you on the next video. Now you go catch some fish.